Dad,
Yes, my darling.
what rhymes with Layla Galley?
Wainui Mata.
Stokes Valley.
Oh yes, Stokes Valley, of course. And that must be where we are today. So Layla and I here at 40 Bird Grove, a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house sitting on 908 square metres of land. So let's head inside with Layla and check it out. So if this house tickles your fancy, you'll be laughing harder than a wee friend Elmo here if you manage to pick it up and secure the property for your own. It is indeed a picture perfect piece of paradise, and I'll even throw in a pear tree for free. For more information, you know the drill. If you'd like to know more, pick up the phone, give me a call. 0800 Mr. Hutt, that's how you get a hold of me. Send me a www.mrhutt.co.nz.